Hello everyone and welcome to Slip on Switch. For today's unboxing video, which is also our first unboxing video, we have the Tribute Treasure Box from Limited Run Games, which is games number 2 and 3. Let's open up the box. We have nice bubble wrap. So first we have the trading cards, which we have number 221 for Mercenary Kings, silver foil, and number 73 for Flintook, also silver foil. So we're going to put these over here. We have the loyalty ticket things. And over here we have a card for Mercenary Kings. And, well, apology for the delay, which honestly I didn't mind. Now we have the actual game. Here's the box, and it has a card around it showing that it's for the Switch. Let's take that off. And here's the back, sides, and the back. I'm going to take that off. Put the box away. So we have double-sided box, Flintook, and Mercenary Kings. Now let's open this up. We have the little letter opener that came with the Yiz 8 Collector's Edition. And here we have it. For starts, we have the CD soundtracks for both games. Some foam. Next we have posters for each game. Let's unfold them, see what they look like. That was the one Flintook. Now this is for Mercenary Kings. Next we have the steelbook, a double-sided steelbook. Looks really nice. I have Flintook and Mercenary Kings, and it holds 2 cartridges, some inner art, and the spine. Then we have the 2 games. Finally, last is the 2 games. Flintook and Mercenary Kings. The backs. We'll open them up. You have Flintook. You have first full cover art, the cartridge, and a manual and art book, or just an art book. Mercenary Kings. We have another reversible cover and a little comic book. Interesting thing with the Mercenary Kings, see here it's rated T, and on the cartridge it's rated E10, which Limited Run said that Nintendo told them to do that, change the rating on the sticker for the cartridge. We have the soundtracks. Let's open them up. So here I have the soundtrack for Flint Hook. And let's open up the soundtrack for Mercenary Kings. Here's the soundtrack for Mercenary Kings. The disc fell out, and here it is. So that's everything for this collector edition. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like, share, comment, etc., whatever you do with YouTube. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.